So I'm doing another promotion in a location that I actually did a video for. I met this guy that has a tree business. It's called Affordable Tree Service. Tree trimming. Oh, sorry about that. Tree trimming, removal, logging, and it is in. Sorry, it's a little hard to see. It's in Newton, North Carolina, but it's called Affordable Tree Service. Tree trimming, removal, and logging. Sorry that I couldn't actually recognize or remember it, but I did want to give that a shout out too. I can't remember where Newton is here. I know it's close by, but I definitely wanted to check this town out. And I'm going to go in a little bit, check the town out more, and I'll see you guys in a bit.